Have you ever wondered who actually creates a product? Is it the drafter, the designer, or the engineer? Many people think these three roles are the same, but they aren't. Today, we'll understand the difference between a drafter, designer, and engineer, and see how all three work together to transform an idea into a successful product. Let's begin with the drafter. A drafter doesn't invent the product. Instead, they convert ideas into manufacturing drawings. Think of a drafter as the communication bridge between design and manufacturing. Using software like AutoCAD, DraftSight, or SolidWorks drawings, they prepare orthographic views, section views, assembly drawings, exploded views, detailed dimensions. But drafting isn't just about adding dimensions. Instead of simply writing 20mm shaft, a professional drafter specifies diameter 20 H7, which tells manufacturers the exact tolerance required. They also apply GD&T symbols like position, flatness, parallelism, and perpendicularity to ensure every manufacturer interprets the drawing the same way. Finally, they prepare BOMs, revision tables, welding symbols, and surface finish notes. Their biggest responsibility? Now comes the designer. Unlike the drafter, the designer actually creates the product. Imagine you're designing a folding ladder. The designer asks questions like, how will it fold? Where should the hinge be? Can it lock safely? Is it comfortable to hold? Can it be manufactured easily? Using software such as SolidWorks, Creo, CATIA, Fusion 360, or NX, designers build complete 3D parts and assemblies. But design isn't only about appearance. A designer constantly improves weight, cost, manufacturability, ergonomics, and material selection. For example, reducing a product's weight from 8 kilograms to 6.5 kilograms without sacrificing strength. Their ultimate goal is simple: create a product that works beautifully and can actually be manufactured. Now, let's meet the engineer. The engineer asks one very important question: will this design actually survive the real world? Engineers verify designs through engineering calculations, finite element analysis, simulations, industry standards. Using software like ANSYS, SolidWorks Simulation, or Abacus, they analyze stress, deformation, buckling, fatigue, heat transfer, factor of safety. They also select the correct material based on strength, weight, corrosion resistance, fatigue life, thermal performance. Before production begins, the engineer approves the design only after confirming it is safe, reliable, manufacturable, cost-effective, and compliant with standards like ASME, also ASTM, or BIS. Their biggest KPI? Reliability and safety. Let's understand this with a simple example. A water bottle. The designer creates its shape, grip, cap mechanism, and overall appearance. The engineer checks whether it can survive accidental drops, withstand hot water, remain leak-proof, and whether the plastic is food safe. Finally, the drafter prepares manufacturing drawings containing dimensions, thread details, tolerances, and production documentation. Only after all three roles finish their work, the bottle moves into manufacturing. So remember, a drafter communicates the design. A designer creates the design. An engineer proves the design will work. Three different roles, one successful product. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your engineering friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.